Well, I wanted to take a minute just to tell you about some of the popular products we have at the golf car shop here. We took a 2019 E-Z-GO RXV lithium off the golf course. As the existing lithium battery, we suspect that battery to last a few more years. We took the bag carriage off and installed this steel cargo bed with a drop tailgate. This is an extremely popular product on apartment complexes and things of that nature. Comes with a top. We added head, tail, brake lights, and turn signals. So once again, this car will come with a 1-year warranty. We'll add the fold down windshield to it, but there's many applications for this type of unit. We sell them to ball fields, we sell them to high schools for maintenance, we sell them to hotel maintenance shops, we sell them to college campuses, we sell them to corporate settings for plants and stuff, janitorial. So the thing is, this car will be sold for somewhere in the $4,500 to $4,995 range. So it's a very inexpensive alternative to a new one. Just let it be known that we have this type of product in stock at all times.